If you want to select something in Krita and move it, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the easiest way to select an object and reposition it on your canvas without guessing. This is super useful for moving characters, objects, shapes, or small details in your artwork. And once you know the workflow, it becomes very fast and intuitive. Before we get started, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy Krita tutorials just like this. It really helps the channel, and it lets me know to make more step-by-step guides for beginners. All right, let's jump into Krita. The first thing you need to do is select the object you want to move. On the left side of the screen, look for the Toolbox panel. This is where Krita keeps all of your main drawing and editing tools, including the selection tools. If you don't see the toolbox, you may need to enable it from the Workspace or Panels menu. Now, choose the selection tool that best fits your object. If your object is a solid shape with clear edges, the Contiguous Selection Tool, which looks like a magic wand, is a great choice. This tool lets you click inside a filled area and select it based on similar colors. If your object has an irregular shape, you can use the Outline Selection Tool, which looks like a lasso. With this one, you simply draw a freehand outline around the object you want. And if your object is fairly simple and fits inside a box shape, the Rectangular Selection Tool is the quickest option. Just drag a box over the area you want to select. Once you've picked the right tool, click and drag or click inside the area you want to select. You'll know it worked when you see the dashed moving outline around the selection. That animated border is often called marching ants, and it shows you exactly what part of the image is currently selected. If your selection doesn't look quite right, don't worry, you can always undo and try again, or switch to a different selection tool for better accuracy. For example, the Lasso tool is usually better for organic shapes, while the Rectangular Selection Tool is better for simple objects and straight edges. The more you practice, the easier it gets to choose the right selection method for the job. Now that your object is selected, it's time to move it. To do that, switch to the Transform tool. The fastest way is to press Ctrl and T on your keyboard. You can also click the transform icon in the toolbox if you prefer using the mouse. As soon as you activate the transform tool, Krita will display a bounding box around the selected item, along with square handles on the corners and edges. This bounding box is what you use to move and adjust the selection. To move the object, simply left-click inside the box and drag it to the new position you want on the canvas. You'll see the artwork follow your cursor, which makes it easy to line things up exactly where you want them. If you want to do more than just move it, Krita gives you a couple of extra options. You can drag the corner handles to scale the object and make it larger or smaller. You can also hover just outside the corners to rotate the selection if you need to change its angle. These tools are really handy when you want to make quick composition adjustments without redrawing anything. And that's it. You've now learned how to select something in Krita and move it properly. The basic workflow is simple. Choose your selection tool, make your selection, switch to Transform tool, drag the object, and press Enter to apply the change. Once you get used to it, this becomes one of the most useful editing skills in Krita. If this tutorial helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more Krita beginner tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.